Hey Eric, what's going on, buddy? Wood chip, what's going on? You feel like I'm with you. I'm with you, Wood chip. What's going on, man? Reading Rich Dad Poor Dad. Oh, nice. Yo, Alfred, what's going on? Did 350, 400 each count today. Early at open. Nice. Yeah, I did pretty good today. I did blow my Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. Whatever. I think I made what 500 on the Bulenox, 800 on each one of the Apex accounts. That's pretty much it. Bernal, what's going on? So I gotta quit early today. I have my little brother's birthday party to go to. So. See. Hey, Fred, Marco. Oh, nice, Fred. Yeah, I gotta make another playlist. I got 2 playlists going right now. I gotta make another one. Get on that. Someone said hi, Terry. Terry in here? I don't think she's in here yet. Honest Take, what's going on? 2 accounts logged, another 200, but blew up one trying to trade bigger size on the inside bars. How did you mentally get past getting bigger days? How do I get mentally past? Probably just reps, Honest Take, to be honest with you. Just like, just reps. Yep. It's funny, like once you start trading like larger size, like more like larger per point, so when you go from like say $20 a point to $100 a point, things like that in NASDAQ, it's just like it's hard to even go back, you know. So it's like whatever you get used to trading, and then it's more difficult. It's always like a little step each time you try to change your prices, you know. Oh, it was good. Yeah, I just went up and ate some dinner with the old man at his house. I'm going back up there tonight. I'm gonna quit around 7 o'clock Eastern time. It's my little brother's birthday. I think he's turning 12 years old. So I got him Xbox gift card thing. Microsoft Xbox gift card. He's into gaming and stuff right now. So. Yeah, not that brother. No, I got 3 brothers actually. I'm the oldest. I am the oldest. No, not yet. Hey, Newts, what's going on? Not very often, Woodchip, my trading micros. I probably should. Yeah, I blew up my pro accounts today. Big time, but I mean, I've gotten tons of payouts with them, so I'm like way ahead as far as return on investment. It's just, I just gotta, I don't know, it just feels bad sometimes. You know, it's like having a big winning day with a payout. I think the emotions, like for me, it's kind of flat. Like I have more emotions still by like blowing an account, you know. Today was tough. Yeah, that afternoon, this right here, through this crap, man, that was nasty. The whole afternoon, really bad. I think like after like what 4 o'clock, 4 Eastern, it was better price action. I swear. No. Hey, Nate Newts, awesome, man. Yeah, keep it going. Hey, $600 is a great day. $600 payout's a great day. I mean, I don't know about you, but I never made $600 in my regular job in a day. Sometimes I think about that. I like, sometimes you gotta humble yourself and go, you know, like, I have to grind all day long doing DoorDash to make maybe $180. Oh, nice. What was the ticker again I mentioned yesterday? The ticker. ESYM. So you got ES, which is the S&P. You have YM, which is the Dow. Maybe those ones, Eric. Yeah, this is the Dow. Yeah, once again, I need to be paying more attention to the YM. YM's a great instrument to trade. Amelia trades it. Tom Hugard trades it a lot. Not many YouTubers trade it. I think there's only one that I can think of that trades it regularly, besides myself, is something Stoic. I think Stoic on YouTube. Yeah. How did everyone else do today? You think you doubt Asia rips today, Woodchip? Yeah, I'm really not expecting too much tonight. I'm thinking that we'll see. I mean, the close was kind of volatile, but we have what, Apple earnings, Amazon earnings coming up. We have non-farm payroll. We have a bunch of. Let's check out Earnings Hub. We didn't really have much after hours today, but let's see. Tomorrow we have Meta, Microsoft. So we got Facebook and Microsoft tomorrow, and then after close, and then Amazon, and then Apple after close on Thursday, and then non-farm payroll on Friday. So we'll see. This right here was crazy chop action. I mean, look at the wicks, just nasty. Hey Daryl, what's going on? Did good on Beelanox, but damaged a bunch of Apex. Yeah, same thing. I did good on Apex and Beelanox, and then like smoked my pro accounts to take Profit Trader. And I currently don't have any My Funded Future accounts either. I need to work on getting some more of those. Yes, RTY is the orphan that nobody touches. Yeah, there's also RTY, Eric. It's righty. It's the Russell 2000. No one, I don't know anyone who trades it. I have placed a trade on it before, but I don't know anyone who trades it. It did really well using the 40-point trailing on entry. Wood chip, nice. Trade ES for the first time in years today. You did, Fred? Yeah, Brandon, I hear you there, man. Averaging about $100 a day. Bruce passed away. Take Profit Traded and My Funded Future evals today. Nice job, Bruce. Hey, those are great accounts. Did you get the starter accounts, or did you get the starter plus accounts? I'm just curious, Bruce. I really need to get a starter plus account. I had one and I blew it. I really want to try to get a nice buffer going on it. Start getting some habitual My Funded Future payouts again. I haven't had a My Funded Future payout in a couple weeks, so I'd like to get some more of those. I love Tradeify. Me too, wood chip. Tradeify is kind of like righty. I kind of forget about it all the time. Oh, honest take, yeah, I'm working on. Oh, I was supposed to be working on a combine today from Top Step, and I bought and paid for it, and it never showed up. You know what? Let me check to make sure I didn't do it on Top Step X. You know, I might have done it on Top Step X. I didn't want it to be. Maybe I did it by mistake. I was waiting for it on Tradeivate. I thought it was so strange that I didn't get it. You know what? I did do it on Top Step X. Damn it. Oh well. I did do it on Top Step X. Starter Plus, Bruce. Nice. Nice account to have. Starting to restrict myself to more momentum trades in certain accounts, Fred. Yes, I'm very much a momentum trader myself. Same had both before payouts, but eventually blew both. I don't know why Apex doesn't up their game with a better interface and trade tracking. Oh yeah, as far as the dashboard and stuff, it's pretty bad. The Russell ticker, RTY. Eric. Disciplined Trader, what's up? Trades by Slay, what's your favorite prop accounts? Right now, probably take Profit Trader, for sure. Closely, I mean, I love the My Funded Future starter accounts, man. I friggin' milk those puppies. Yeah, I really milk them, but I mean, right now, I would say take Profit Trader, especially my style. I like to have big winning days, so. Taylor, what's going on? No, I haven't traded by Slate. I haven't got my rest of my Pro Plus money. Hey, J Money, what's going on, buddy? Haven't seen you in a while. Playing games. Continue my last. Design, what's going on? Yeah, trades by Slate. So let me take a look at the so from what I hear, you can go back, if you go back to your account that you made the money on. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, so if you go back to the account that you made, that they transferred over to the Pro Plus account, you should be able to see the withdrawal, available for withdrawal. I tried to make a withdrawal and they denied it, so I don't really know. I can't really show it because it shows that stupid password. Like, I wanted to show you guys, but I can't. It shows that password up there. So, but yeah, if you look at that and then you can go to like withdraw 50% or something. But I don't know. I'm still very confused. I haven't heard back from either. So I was done with Apex after winning an account with Luna for Tradeify, then an auto renewal. Forgot to cancel, got me back into Rhythmic on Apex wood chip. Continue my last. Have you tried options? Even with $1,000, you'd be surprised. Yeah, playing games. I lost a lot of money trading options when I didn't know what I was doing a couple years ago. Yeah, I had my largest losing day ever. I lost $30,000 of real money trading options. So yeah, I just kind of like don't touch them now. Just scared. But otherwise, I'd be at the same $100 average. Doing with my Phone Trader Pro. Yeah, trying to trade Rhythmic, R-Trader, and stuff off your phone is not easy. CG trading, we dumping at open. I don't really know. We had a nice bounce here, like close to the VWAP. I really wanted to try to push down. We have this big gap down here at 544 to 520s, but we also have a small gap up here. So it was really trying to push when the market closed. So yeah, Brandon, I agree. Keegan, what's going on? You passed all the evals phone trading so far? Man, you're better than me, man. Although I'd probably just push the button and just walk away. So, oh, Trump speaking at to the automakers. Is he still speaking? Hey, Terry Trades 100 in the house. What's going on? Oh, my main sticker. So I got this Grateful Dead with the main This was a good one. Okay, a little mushroom here, and then there's just a bunch of breweries. These are local breweries around here. Side by Each, Olive Pit Brewing. Got Highbrow down here, which is a dispensary. Jokers and Rogue Brewing. This is Flight Deck in Brunswick. Yeah, Rusty Bus Brewing. The 100 next to her name sounds like a cigarette. Yes, Terry trades 100 lights. Hey, 00 Kevin, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in a little bit earlier. So, got my 3 pints top shelves ounces for 110. Nice. Yeah, Terry trades. She knows just a little bit about options. Cove Trader, if you guys follow Cove Trader, he knows a lot about options too. I want to learn a little bit, but I just gotta get in the mood to learn. Turned 2K into 9K on options today. Sold NQ 600s all day, then played the 600 break. Great day overall. 600 level on NQ was so frustrating. Yeah, for sure. Can't wait for Pine Tree to learn. Yeah, I'm kind of a dummy. Numbers. I like futures, I just push the button. Playing YM today for the first time. Terry, is that the one you like? Oh no, I don't think Terry trades YM much. Amelia trades YM. Math is hard, Trev. What's going on, buddy? Options have a lot of moving parts, for sure. You gotta know what you're doing. I found that out the hard way. Yeah, you can just push a button on a call or a put. You can. So much easier to just push the button over on NQ, though. With options, I just enter, hit a take profit of 10%. Interesting. Over and over. I like YM, Eric. You know what I like about YM? It's easy to calculate. It's just points, right? So it doesn't have ticks, like 4 ticks to a point. YM is just 1 point each. That's what I like about YM. When you're back testing and things like that, it's super easy. Options might have settled down on premiums. They were ridiculous the last couple weeks. So we got market opening up here, what, in 2 minutes or so? Like I said, it's going to be an early stream, about an hour. I got to head up and my little brother's birthday party. So smash the like button while you guys are here. Really appreciate you guys stopping in, coming in early. That was fun. Maybe I'll do that more, like coming in a little bit earlier before the market opens just to chat. I'm usually like literally waiting around for the market to open before I hop on stream, so maybe I'll hop on a little bit earlier from now on just to talk about what happened and how we did today and whatever. Alright, market's gonna open up here. I am on this end of day Bulenox account. Still 91% off, guys. If you guys want to hop on the Buellanox train, use code PINE. 50K accounts. There we go. We get a little gap down. Someone mentioned Trump was speaking to automakers. Is that already done, or is that still going on? So Terry, you still listening? So I was telling you earlier that my Top Step account never got activated, and that's because it's on Top Step X when I wanted it on Tradeovate, but that's right. So I found it on Top Step X. Yeah, wood chip. That might be a good idea to just hop on a little earlier. It is the Dirty 30 wood chip. All right, getting a push down here. Boy, I'm not used to looking at on the Project X. Don't love it. Amelia, what's going on? Yeah, Eric, Amelia trades the YM, who just joined the chat. She got sick of the Nas crack. All right, getting a big push down here. I'm also gonna be watching some gold. This is the one thing I do love about the Project X platforms, is it's so easy to switch back and forth. And also I love the bracket orders and the ATM orders. That is one thing I do like. But man, do I love my Tradeovate, because I'm just so used to staring at that chart. Yeah, good point, Amelia. That YM during the overnight, like Asia, it's not that great to trade. Occasionally it'll move, but it's really not good to trade until New York, or at least London to New York, probably. Stone, you went full port on the NQ short. Nice. Top Step's giving out big bonuses to the live traders. Oh yeah, that's the word on the prop streets. Yeah, I heard about that. Your entry doesn't have to be perfect like on NQ. You won't get stopped out for a negative 1,000 in 1 second. Yeah. That's true. We left a small gap here. I'm gonna hop in for the stream. I'll move my stop accordingly. Design Nam Yen is good, 6J. Yeah, Black Beauty, Zabak, they all trade the yen. Top Step has weird rules. I'm not too familiar with their rules, with chip, like the new ones and stuff. I haven't paid much attention to it. Don't hedge. Yeah, and yeah, definitely don't want to hedge. And you don't. Top step, like, make sure you don't hedge any combines either. They don't like that either. Boy, what a nice day we had in Maine again today. 2 days in a row, mid-70s, sunshine. Oh, with payout limitations, yeah. Did Stone get out? I don't know, he's probably full port still. Hey John, what's going on? John Walk in the house. Just getting to trade today, had a tornado here. Oh, Dean. He had a tornado, 100 mile an hour straight line winds, 50,000 people without power. Oh man, that is crazy, Dean. What state do you live in? So we do not have tornadoes. We do, but nothing like, you know, some of the country. We have, it's very rare, very rare. We have hurricanes and everything else, but tornadoes, I am fascinated with tornadoes. Like, I love watching the weather, those weather documentaries and stuff with like storms and tornadoes and stuff, but that's probably because I don't live near them. How do you set a bracket order on Project X? I'll show you. Go to settings, and you just go to your risk and whatever you want to risk for money. You can't do points or ticks or anything, unfortunately. You have to do the money. So that's how you do it. So if you want, like, if you're trading one mini and you want like a $200, say you want a 5-point risk, then you would just put $200. I mean, $100. I don't know. Yeah, that's how you do it. Can't think straight tonight. Five. Ooh, I missed some of the chat, guys. Sorry. Yeah, Trav, exactly. In New England, when the nice days come out, everyone's in a good mood. It's great. Oh, in Missouri, Dean? Wow. Yeah, crazy. Do you have one of those underground shelter things? Maine does not have a summer, J Money. Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Someone was asking me whether or not, if it gets real hot in Maine. I says, yeah, very rarely does it ever get over 90 degrees. So we are bouncing our head off the VWAP here. I'm looking to come back and fill this little bit of the gap here. Hey, oh, what's going on? Thank you. You have a basement, Dean? Nice. That is underground. Yeah, this is Project X. This is Buellanox Project X. Power Pack Tube. Same thing as Top Step X, even though Top Step X likes to think that it's not, but it's the same thing, pretty much. Subtle differences. I mean, you can still get all the Like a lot of people don't know, like you still got the lockouts, you still got all that stuff, you still got the copy trading. The president delivers his 100th day in office achievement speech started at 6 p.m. Eastern time, Kevin? Like right now? Because that will shake things up. Hey Monica, what's going on? Sorry if I missed the chat. LOL Joe, what's going on? Project X, you can go on your line and move it up and to set custom ones. Oh, you can. Yeah, one thing else, the other thing I didn't know is you can pinch this and then set your brackets too. So like, I'd have to show you, but. Oh yeah, so you can move the stop loss. If you didn't have brackets, if you forgot, you can just pinch this, move it up for if you're long, you move your take profit or move the stop loss wherever you want it. Which is kind of cool. So like if I wanted to move this to here, you can just do that. That's something I kind of learned by mistake one day. Learned by accident. Oh, that is interesting, Kevin. Thank you for that information. So apparently Trump is going to be speaking here at any moment, so that should be interesting for the markets. Oh, he's on right now, Honest Take says. We're pushing higher here. Project X is becoming my favorite platform. I hate having to micromanage trades on Tradeovate. Yeah, I do like that too, Alfred. Like if I want to take one off, like if I take one off right here, and then bang, it takes it right off the brackets and stuff. I love that. If I want to add another one, I can just add another one, or add more. Like I do love that. All right, see if we can get up into that gap there. Got a nice little trade going on. I took one off almost for show. Yeah, I love it. I love that part, Alfred. It's just the I just gotta get better at. Discretionary. Like I look at the candles on Tradeovate and I discretionary trade sometimes, like just by like getting a feel for the candles and stuff. And I have a tough time with Project X, so I need to do more systematic trading with the Project X. And bang, just like that, right up into the gap there. Nice little trade there off the open. Hey, full-time trader, what's going on? I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna fill my water thing up. I don't want any more kidney stones, so I'm pounding the water. Last week I ended up in the hospital with kidney stones, so no fun. I'm waiting to get that hospital bill too. Terry, I just subbed Eric. Nice, Eric. Yeah, guys, sub to Terry Trades 100 on YouTube and X. She's a celebrity. She's a celebrity. Was just on Top Step TV and was just on My Funded Futures TV. Really good trader. Super smart about the markets. Obsessed. Obsessed like most of us. Alright, we filled that gap here. We pushed up above 600s, pushing the 610s now. Starting to push higher. We do have a small gap up here. 630s, 623 area. She's not beaten, isn't jaded like me. No. No, crushes the markets. And you catch her streaming in the morning because market open. She's doing her opening range break trade. Just kind of getting used to doing live streaming. Alright, just waiting for another setup. I'm gonna take a look at gold here. Working on this eval. It's an inside bar. See, this is where I like my indicator. Technically, this is an inside bar on gold. Hey, Fish Lips, what's going on? Don't drop the liquid soap. That made me laugh, Fish Lips, earlier. I really needed that laugh. I was listening to Methodical Man. Said something about dropping the liquid soap. That made me laugh. Oh. Prison stories. Exactly. Stone up 1,015 on one Beelnox and 704 on the other. Nice. Blue and master account again, so it's profit, no count. They will raise it tomorrow. Oh. That's alright, man. Nice thing about Beelnox, the evals and stuff are so cheap. That's the nice thing. Wood chip you short again? Done going to Forex. I don't blame you, Eric, man. Hope you continue to hang out, though. Yeah, trade. You know, trade Forex. If I was just making money trading Tesla, that's all I would do. You know, something like that. You only need one instrument. People think you need a bunch of stuff to trade. Even like stock traders, like day traders and stuff. It's like, really, if they just learned one thing like Tesla and traded that, or Nvidia and traded that, or something like that, is all they need. Like, you know, like opening range breaks, the 15-minute opening range breaks and stuff works really well on Tesla. I was actually trading it a lot at one point. It's just, I was just like, and then I got thinking, I'm like, why am I doing this? Like, I just trading on the futures. It's so much easier to figure out, you know. So much easier to calculate risk to reward, things like that, or how many shares you need of Tesla, or Rather trade one index stock 100 times than trade 100 stocks once. Yes! I like that, Alfred. Rather trade one index stock 100 times than trade 100 stocks once. I like that. I only trade QQQ options, and then I try to trade SPY. I fail every time. I think that's when I lost 30K was on SPY. Pretty sure. I don't think it was QQQ. I don't know. I've tried to block out that day. Nice short wood chip. Yeah, I should have took that Harami break there. Probably see 580s here, possibly. I think next stop's 550s, Trev. Yeah, could be. We also have that gap down here. 545s to 519. Star, what's going on? Good to see you. So we made a nice little trade off the open here. Now we're just kind of waiting for something else. I got this evaluation back up to break even, or starting balance basically. We were in a little bit of a drawdown. His Royal Trades, what's going on? Up 1351.80 and 1040.80 now. It just can't stop. Can't stop Stone. Yeah, some days you just really feel it, you know. Those are the days you gotta push it. I'm not a big believer in locking yourself out when you're feeling it. Depends on the account, of course, but if you're on a consistency account, it's like, unless it's like not part of your system, you know, obviously if you're just someone that says, well, I risk 200 to make 200, and you do that once a day, if you have a system like that, it's perfectly fine. But if you're someone that like trades a little more discretionary, like myself, like I'm a big believer in not locking yourself out on when you're winning. You know, you gotta really know yourself to not overtrade and to start giving it back. But something that my trading buddy and I were talking about is that, you know, say you're up $2,000 in the morning. Say you're up $2,000 and you see another setup and you keep trading, perfectly fine. But you give back 50% of what you've made that morning, then you should stop. So say you gave back 1,000, you're at 1,000 for the day, stop right there. Something like that. Hey, his Royal Trades, thank you. Thank you very much. His Royal Trades. Just grabbed 5 Billinox accounts with code PINE. Still 91% off, guys. Appreciate you, his Royal Trades. It ends tomorrow. I don't know what time tomorrow, but it ends tomorrow. I don't know if it's midnight or what, but I know it ends on 4:30, so. For Billinox, 91% off. And yeah, I mean, that's what we want. Cheap evals. Cheap evals, smash or pass them. That's what I do. And then slow down. A little bit. Not fully. I don't fully slow down. Take a look at gold here. Gold bouncing off the VWAP. I'm gonna short gold here. Risking 190 bucks. So the real reason, so my brother's birthday is today. My little baby brother. He's turning 12 or 13, something like that. And so I'm going to his little birthday party, or we're just with family or whatever. Just eat some food and cake. But my father got him a go-kart. So that's the real reason I want to quit early, because you know who wants to drive the go-kart? This kid right here. This kid wants to drive the go-kart. Yeah. Some days I need to lock myself out, and some days I'm on fire, and some days I wish I never tried. Every day is different. Absolutely, Alfred. It's all about yourself, you know. You just gotta know yourself for sure. You know. So we're in a little gold short here. Just kind of risking a 1-to-1. You guys can come. You guys can fly up here if you want. Hop in the private jet. Come on over. Now I have a feeling I'm going to be making a trail at my dad's place. I'm going to be helping making a trail through the woods for the go-kart over the next few days. So it doesn't stave up the lawn. I have a feeling my little brother's not going to care about my Microsoft gift card much, but that's okay. You gotta go. You can't go empty-handed. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Oh, waiting on gold to do its thing. Starting to break down here. NASDAQ broke down below the VWAP at 580s now. We still have this gap down here, 545, 520, 520 area. But this area right here was just really choppy today. I'm right back into that rangy chop mess. You'll need a gas card, Dean. Yeah, for sure. Rayo, I was gonna give them V-Bucks, but they were sold out. I was at the Dollar General that's close by me, and they had no V-Bucks cards. They were all empty. I have no idea why. All right, let's see if we can get this. Maybe it won't be a dick for a tick here. I'm gonna take this off. All right, flatten that at 150 bucks. So up 626. I don't want to be a dick for a tick. There it goes. Who would have got the full 190? But that's all right. Nice little gold trade there. A little scalp 1-to-1. Let's go back to the NASDAQ. But yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna get him, Rayu. V-Bucks. Can't go wrong giving a 10 or 12-year-old or whatever how old he is, 13, I don't even know, a some V-Bucks V-Bucks for Fortnite. And you love cake, Camellia. Me too. Tomorrow I need to watch the diet. I've been eating a lot of junk. Girl Scout cookies. I did work out today. I did go to the gym, but too bad we're not down in the south. We could meet up and I could bring some 4-wheels and a razor. Nice, full-time trader. I do have a 4-wheeler. I have a Yamaha Kodiak, or a Yamaha Grizzly 450. Same. Salad for dinner again today. I did have a salad for lunch, Amelia, but then I went to McDonald's. I had second lunch after the gym. I fell completely off track. And I regret it. I did. I went to McDonald's. I did it. Nice, I have a YFZ 450R. Nice, oh. Yes, cake and ice cream, the combination, yeah, and you kind of mix it together a little bit. The best. They cancel each other out. That's right, Royal Trades. It's just like eating while standing up, right? If you eat while standing up, there's no calories. So I've heard. That's what they say. Nuggets aren't bad, but the rest, yeah. I had a McChicken and a double cheeseburger off the dollar menu. So, Shamar, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. Yes, the $25 menu now, yeah. So yeah, for two things it was $5 and change. Because you get that one for $1, you add something for $1. But yeah, man, the dollar menu with the McDoubles, that used to be my jam. I used to like, when I was doing a lot of construction and things like that, and I had people working for me, that's I'd be like, all right, we're going to McDonald's today. And I would just buy like 20 McDoubles for everyone. Come home with a bag of burgers for $8 exactly. $59, $79, $99 from Taco Bell was awesome. Yeah, we didn't have many Taco Bells up here, so I never really got. I mean, we have Taco Bells now, but yeah, in construction that turns the muscles. That's right, it does. So does in a few beers too. That's just liquid protein when you're doing construction. Okay, put in an inside bar here on the NASDAQ. Appreciate the new subs, guys. I think we're up to almost, where are we at? Almost up 1,200 subs, guys. Channel's growing super fast. Way faster than I expected. Thanks to you guys. I gotta get used to trading this platform again a little bit. I'm gonna take the break at the inside bar. See what happens. This is the first inside bar, right? Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna take the break, no discretion. See what happens. Probably only gonna look for about 10 points or so. KD, what's going on? I don't think they talk at all, John. Something tells me they don't talk one bit. Working construction on a hot, humid summer day, you'll lose a double cheeseburger in an hour. No joke, Trev. No joke. My brother's been building a house. And he's doing insulation right now. Man, I hate doing insulation. That Roxel stuff makes me itch so bad. Even if I put a full Tyvek suit on with a mask and everything, I swear I still itch for days after. I hate that stuff. But he's almost done. About 3/4 done. What are we risking on this? Maybe 250 bucks or so. Okay. We can do that. And this is an end of day account from Buellanox too. Yeah, fiberglass still goes through them. There's not wrong. Yeah, no. Remember when they first started advertising that Roxel stuff? They were outside and they were putting it up. Like I remember seeing the advertisements and they were just like, you know, it's totally safe. They didn't have any masks on or anything, but man, that rock dust and stuff, whatever they make that out of, that spun rock, nasty. And fiberglass is worse. It's even worse than that. All right, consolidating here. It looks like we can put in another inside bar. Which means I don't love the trade as much now, but we'll see what happens. Spray the suit jacket with some water. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's actually not a bad idea. Yeah. When you were a kid, you had an arm covered in fiberglass, hurt like hell, washed my arm, looked like a lobster. Alright, we're triggered short. Got a little bit of slippage on that too. Project Slip X. See, this is the more of a momentum trade, and that's iffy during the, you know, market reopen. We'll see. There's 255 on this account. Currently up 625. Debt Wolf, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. Seriously, you'd think at that age you'd just be living it up, but no. Oh, I get it. Talking side convo. Side convo. When I was your age, we'd eat asbestos for funsies. Yeah, yo, Jim. I know. My father used to work on the school buses and things as a mechanic, and they used to grind asbestos brake shoes. Like the shoes were asbestos back then. Yeah, they used to grind them down and stuff. A real white fiberglass back in the day. Said it looked soft. What a dumbass, we laughed so hard. Micah, what's going on, buddy? Short from 550s. Oh, you're short for the 550s. I'm like, you're short 550s. I'm like from this morning? No, I got you. I got you though. I look like Will Ferrell from Talladega Nights. Shake and bake. If you're not first, you're last. No, I get the guy from Sopranos a lot. The gambling cop. Or the guy from Home Alone. Someone else said I looked like that guy. What was his name? It was John Hurd. John Hurd. Colin Farrell. Do you look like him? Yeah, he played the gambling cop on the corrupt cop on Sopranos too. My doppelganger. Alright, so this little momentum trade is not working out so far, but it's alright. We're risking 255. It is kind of stair-stepping down though. For now. This might change here in a minute. You need to hijack his life. I think that guy died playing games. I think John Hurd's dead. Yeah, he is dead, right? Exactly right. I think John Hurd died. Hey Zabak, what's going on, buddy? So we're taking this trade off the first inside bar of the session, and so far it's not really working out. So, but we'll see. Yeah. All right, stopped out of that. So up 328. On this eval. That did not work. Let's take a look at gold again. So we're up about 650. We gave back 250-ish. Gold's really not doing too much now. John Hurd, the actor from Home Alone, the dad from Home Alone. That's what we were talking about. People say I look like him. I think I look like Brad Pitt, but no one else seems to think so, so. I mean, you guys don't think I look like Brad Pitt from Legends of the Fall? Riding on horseback, my long blonde hair. Yay, Joker, what's going on, buddy? Maybe Tom Cruise. Fake death to trade evals, that's right. More like a Colin Farrell, yeah. Maybe a Tom Cruise. Yeah, I think Tom Cruise and I are about the same size, too. Look how nasty that was. That rejection off the VWAP. Not much, Joker. Not much. Just trying to get back in the swing of things. You blew 4 Billionaires today, or yesterday, Joker? Oh man, that sucks. I blew my pro accounts today, but I did just get $1,100 payout with them, so not too bad. Too bad. Then refunded him. One shot and booked 7,800 on other funded accounts. Nice. Wow. 7,800. It's a pretty good day. My Apex accounts are actually looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the Apex accounts. I haven't had an Apex payout in maybe over a month, so I'd like to get a payout with Apex. I've pretty much been getting payouts only with Take Profit Trader and My Funded Futures lately. Let's pull up the accounts here. So yeah, these PAs are looking pretty good. They're over the trailing buffer. Right, so 26,649 on 59 on some of these PAs here. So they're looking pretty good. Pretty solid. I think I'm only on day 3 or 4 though. So I gotta keep trading these. But hopefully I can keep grinding them up. I got some PAs here, some evals that I'm working on too. 90% off, I kind of loaded up a little bit. Yeah, KD, I do. Yep, I just made a video about it. I'll show you. I made one yesterday. I'll show you. Let's watch it. Let's watch my face.
Is the 50K account, pro account. Oh guys, Pine Trade. Oh guys, Pine Trader here. It is Monday, 4/28. I got another Take Profit Trader payout coming. I reset the account, $650, the 50K account, pro account, but now it's paid for, right? So you can see here, $53,115. So I wait for the market to move. If it's moving really well, I wait for a good setup. I reset an account. I send it 2-3 contracts, full transparency, and go for those daily payouts. So appreciate the support, guys. Use code PINE, all caps, if you would like to help support my channel. Get those daily payouts, man. Take Profit Trader, one of the best. Peace. Oh, guys, Pine.
I like how I smirked there when I was saying I kind of send 2-3 contracts. Yeah, I was kind of like a little smirk there. I was just like, yeah, we'll send it. Eric Graham, what's going on? LA, what's happening? So we made a few nice trades. We had one the losing trade. The winning trades. You guys are just tuning in. So we ended up going long right in here, looking for the gap fill. That was a really nice trade. I should have left the 2 contracts on. It would have been a nice $750 trade, but I ended up taking one off and letting the other one run until we actually did fill the gap. And then we ended up taking a gold trade, gold short off from the inside bar, I believe. Yes. Took a gold short, a little 1-to-1. And the loser we took was just happened. And it was off the inside bar here, and we went short. We got triggered in on this bar right here, and it immediately pulled back and took us out. Took our stop out above that candle, and then it rejected off the VWAP and then pulled right back. So a little dirty, but that's okay. So up 328 on this eval. Yeah, playing games for sure. No, I hear you. To me, I kind of look at it like, because I'm so used to trading a personal account too. It's like you reset a 25K account for $450. It's a lot of money. 650 for a 50K. It's a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie, it is a lot of money. But I do have the confidence where I can get payouts and keep my return on investment higher than whatever. Wow, we are dropping. But yeah, like when you're trading a personal account with minis or something, like $450, $650 is kind of nothing. So I'm just kind of used to trading that. But I 100% understand. Yeah, it's a little bit impatience playing games for sure. Yep. And I'm usually working on, I'm working on some more Take Profit Trader evals right now. Trying to get through that 5 days. But yeah, I always like to have some Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. Like always. If I don't have Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, I feel like... And then my Pro Plus account with Take Profit Trader, I blew that last week. Never got a payout on, but they still owe me money. You can see right here. So I took that 25K up to $31,000, the Pro account. So they moved me to Pro Plus. I lost the money, but there's still money left over, and I haven't been able to figure out how to get it yet. So yeah, so they still owe me some money. I'll get paid. I just gotta figure out how to do it. No, you get it. You get that money back playing games. You do get it because you have money left over, because they basically start you out at $1,500. So when you move to Pro Plus, it's basically starting like a pro account over again almost. And the only really difference is that when you do get a payout, you get the 90-10 split instead of the 80-20, which really adds up. Like if you start getting 4-figure payouts and stuff like I usually do, like the extra 10% really adds up. So I was kind of looking forward to getting the 90-10 split, but I blew it, so that's back to the Pro account. So from what I understand, yeah, I still can withdraw some money that they owe me, so. Because I didn't lose the because I made 10,000. That's right, yeah. So that's what I did playing games. So I pushed it to 10,000. So if you make 10,000 in a single day, they move you to Pro Plus. And that's what I did. I took the 25K and made 10,000 in one day. And then they moved me to Pro Plus. So I withdrew 5,000 of it. So I was left with 5,000 left. I had $1,500 account. That's what they start you with for drawdown. I never got positive and went right down to 1,500. I mean, I blew the 1,500 because it stays intraday trailing. So it's, listen, the Pro Plus account is really not any different than the Pro account. You shouldn't have intraday trailing. I'm sorry, but you shouldn't have intraday trailing on a live account. So yeah, exactly, Star. So you actually go on the Pro Plus account, but essentially it's still the 25K parameters. Like it's the same. Yeah, so we are pushing down here 560s. So I think, so I'm looking at it says I can withdraw $1,500. But I sent a support ticket and haven't heard anything. Trades by Slade sent a support ticket in, same thing with Take Profit Trader. He blew his he got a Pro account almost the same time as I did, Trades by Slade on YouTube. and ended up blowing it almost the exact same time as I did. So, hey Cranston, what's going on? Every time I see your name, Cranston White, I think about Walter White from Breaking Bad, who's played by Bryan Cranston. So every time I see your name, that's what I think of. You're in short, Star? Nice. Nice short, guys. I got a prop firm idea. What if you deposit 1K? The trick is you can trade full size as many coins as you want. Yeah. Up to a limit. Yeah, I think that's the way Fast Track Trader started. Trump's speaking now. Guys, this was gonna be an early stream. I have to head to my little brother's birthday party. Made some nice trades on stream. We had one loser. Nice chats. I will be back tomorrow. Please use code PINE. Bulanox 91% off ends tomorrow, guys. If you guys want to use, if you guys are using Bulanox, get that 50K for 91% off. Use code PINE. I really appreciate it. And Apex, Bulanox, Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader. Yeah, use code PINE, all of them. Step on Take Profit Trader, you gotta use all caps. And get those daily payouts. That's the easiest way to support my channel, guys. Really appreciate the support, really appreciate the love, the private messages that you guys have wrote me over the last few weeks. Really appreciate that, guys. It means a lot to me, really. So I'm gonna get going. Go hug the ones you love, and I'm gonna call it there tonight, guys. Short stream, sorry about that. Tomorrow, I don't know when I'll be on. I'll be on for turtle markets for sure. And I'll probably hop on a little bit earlier for turtle markets like we did tonight. That was kind of fun, chatting them the markets. Still had quite a bit of few people watching. So smash the like button on your way out, and go check out Stock Tiger. He's over there hanging out. Tell him I sent you. Tell him I sent you. Appreciate you guys. I'm gonna go eat some cake and ice cream with my little brother. So peace out, guys.